Yo, 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 yo. So, doing our data topic, and we are doing the mode, median, range sort of thing that we saw at the start of the topic. When I did that with you guys, I realized, you hadn't seen it before, which is okay. So we'll do it again now, second time through, see if it's sticking your head a little bit. Now we got some questions. The ones we're going to look at here: mean, median, mode. And these are about the center. They're about, you got a bunch of data. It's where's the center of the data? Other ones, sometimes you care about what the range is, how the data is spread out. But no, we're all about center here. So you got this tug of war example here, and you got some information and blah, blah, blah. Read through it if you want. But here's what really matters down the bottom. Mean. Sum of all the values divided by the total number of values. So you plus them all up and divide by how many there are. So this one had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why they divided by 7. Median is the middle. Median is the middle. Median is the middle. Median is the middle. So, and if there's 1 in the middle, done. That's the middle there. And cross off to see that. Ta-da! But then if you do the cross off trick here, this time there's 2 in the middle. So what you do then is that if there's 2 middle values, take the average. 5 plus 9 divided by 2. Cool. And most common is the mode. Mode's the most common. 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 And they got this fancy modal category, but I normally just say mode. Anyway, in that set of data, 1 occurs the most. So let's do some questions. If you want to go through examples there, if you want to have a read through. But now let's get on to it. You can go at your own pace, or you can go along with me to get started. Most common value. Mode. Sum of all values divided by the number of values. That's how you find the mean. The something. The middle values of the numbers in ascending order. So that the numbers have to go like 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. You can't be like 1, 12, 8, 4, 2, 2, 25, 6. No, doesn't work that way. Has to be in ascending order, and that gives you the median. So, next one. Sum of those numbers. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1, 9, plus 2, 11, plus 4, 15. How many numbers are listed? 5. Mean, 15 over 5, 3. That's how we do it. I'll leave that up there. Next one. Got a bunch of values there, and but they're not in order, so we go from smallest to largest. So there's a 1, and I'll cross it off as I go, and there's a 2, and then there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And I'll also do a second check. I started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, and I have 7 numbers. Good. So then what's the middle one? You don't really need to do the cross off trick. It's 5 there. But you can if you want. Ta-da! Middle value 5. What's the median? Well, that's exactly what it is. Middle number is the median. All right, going to scroll down a bit so question 2 will disappear. Zoom in a little bit more here. Bigger. There we go. So, question 4. Consider the set here. The 2 middle values. Well, firstly, is it in ascending order already? Yes, it is. So you don't have to rewrite it. There's 2 middle ones, 7 and 9. Sum of them, 7 plus 9 is 16. Divide by 2. That's the 8, and that's the median. So we have to average of the middle 2 when that happens. Oh my God, and now there's so many questions. Mean and the mode. Hey, well, I'll leave 4 up there. Why don't we do the mode first? Let's do the mode because it's easy. So the mode for this one, I'm going to put it on the side here. What occurs the most? 4. What occurs the most? 3. What occurs the most? We've got 2 minus 9s. I know negatives can be confusing, but there. What about this one? I see 3 15s. Yep. And 3 12s here. So when it's not in increasing order, it's hard to tell. But yeah, 3 12s. And the last one there. Ooh, one, two, minus sixes. There's two of those. And there's no other double ups. So that's your mode there. So then you can do the same for the other column there. I'll leave that to you. But now the mean, I have to plus all of those up and divide by how many there are. So 5 plus 6, 11, plus 3, 14, plus 4, 18, plus 4, 22, plus 8, 30. How many? Oh, I want to change color. You know, mean is, so we said 30, and there's 6 of them. 5. But that, it's a little bit risky, right? A little bit risky. So I press the fraction button. If I do it on the calculator, 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8. Of course, you can make mistakes putting in the calculator as well, but it's a good check. So I'll do a couple more of these. 4, so 7, 10, 20, 30, 32, 35 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And they're giving you whole numbers there, but that's not normal. Mean, you're always going to get, almost always going to get weird numbers. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. Now, and 12 plus the minus 9, that's weird, gets you down to 3. Plus the 6 gives you 9. Take away 9, I'm laughing because add all of those and you get 0. And 0 divided by 6, well, that's just 0. So that's what happens when you get negatives. You have to be careful there. Again, calculator, if you don't trust me, 3 plus, I'll do that first. 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now with the negatives, I'm going to use brackets, plus the minus 9, plus the 6, plus the minus 9, all over 6. But it's 0. So that's it. That should be enough. I'm going to keep going ahead. If you want to do the rest of those, go for it. I'm going to scroll down. 3, 2, 1. Number 6, median. Median. Are they in order? Yes. So there's your median right there. Are these in order? Yes. Can't quite tell if it's... Oh, there's a middle right there. Done. Oh, not in order. Any others in order? I'm looking for the easy ones. Well, that one's in order. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, they're all odd numbers, these ones. And then, number 7. If I go down to 7, then we have the 2 in the middle. So 4 plus 6. 10 over 2, 5. In order again. Cross, cross. Middle ones are the 7 and the 8. 7. The average is going to be halfway between, so 7.5. Here, average here, 2 and 9. This is too small, isn't it? How about that? Better? That's a weird 9. It's because this is... Let's make it less fuzzy. 11 over 2, 5.5. There we go. Better. And all the other ones aren't in order. So the way to do it, it's so annoying. I have to put it in order. Not much room for it. So 1. Well, no 2s or 3s. 4, 5, 6. Again, let's make it sharper. There we go. Oh, you can't even see that. Oh. There we go. 4, 5, 6 have to go down. 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 12, no. 7, 11, 12, 12, 14. Check that they're in the right order. We'll check we've got the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, good. And then cross off. First, last. Second, second last. Third, third last. Fourth, fourth last. 7. So, not much room, but have a go at those. You're going to have to write them in order. Good practice, good practice. I'm going to scroll down. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye. All right. Mean Plus them up, divide by the number of days, 5. Median, write them in order. Mode, there we go. Stem and leaf plot. Now the stem and leaf plot, we haven't touched that. But I should give you some quick answers to help you out. 18, 26, 33, 42 over 5, 42 over 5, 8.4. Hopefully I got that right. Calculator to check. So what I did there, 40 divided by 5 is 8, and then 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. So assuming that everything added up, yep, 42 over 5, 8.4, good. Median, so you have to put them in order. 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, middle there. Median's 8. Mode, what occurs the most? We had 2 8s. All right, so the stem and leaf plot. Might not have seen this before. What this means, the data is, oh, it even explains it. 1 in the 8 gives you 18. 1 in the 9 gives you 19. And it's 20, 23, 25, 27, 31, 32, 32, 37. Median, cross off. Oh, what do we do if there's 2 in the middle? Average. Find the mean of them. Now, you don't actually have to, add and divide here. The average is going to be in the middle. Average is always going to be in the middle. What's in the middle of 25 and 27? 26. You can check it, but it's always true. Mean, plus them up on divide, mode, etc. So I'm just going to pause here. Yep, I've looked ahead. I've done enough now. From now on, over to you. Have a go. Finish off question 9. Have a go at 10. Have a go at 11. Have a go at 12. Have a go 13. Have a go 14. I will give you some hints for. So I'll do that now. All the other stuff, straightforward. But from this point onwards, they start getting tricky. And I do want you to do some of the tricky ones. So we need the mean is equal to 5. So you got 7 plus 12 plus box plus 5. Divide by 4 is equal to 10. Find what's in the box. Same as this one. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus box. And there's 4 scores, so divide by 4. I want you to find what has to go in the box. Okay? Tricky. It's going to have to be negative, right? Going to have to be negative. Mode. Most. Now, the mode's 5. So that means 5 is the most common. But right now, we've only got 1 5. So that's just got to be 5. No hints for that one. Median there. Ooh. Firstly, put it in order. It's got 1, 3. Wait, you can't put it in order because we don't know it. So what I'm thinking is the mode's equal to 7. So I get 100 there. If I just put a 7 there, will that be good enough? Yes. Yes, it will. But then it could get a little bit tricky here for this next one. So we definitely know, I'm going to leave lots of gaps here. 2, gap, 7, gap, 11, gap, 15, gap, 23. So those are the 5 we know. The median's got to be 10. So I need to put some number here. These would be our middle 2. So box plus 11 over 2 has to be 10. All right, find your missing number there. So that's some hints there for those tricky ones. Hey, let's stop here. I don't want my videos going on for too long. And if you have got the later ones, awesome. These ones will really make you think. Especially, oh my God. We're going to be talking about this Oh my God, another time. It's like a lesson in itself. This whole question here. The whole question. And then it gets fancy. Then it gets real fancy. So have a go at those. If you have any questions, ask me. But question 16, we'll talk about another time. See ya.